Hello students, hope you're fine. Now we are doing exercise 3D crossover 2 part C of book D3 8th edition. Question is, sketch the graph of the following function. Indicate clearly the coordinates of the maximum or the minimum point and the equation of the line of symmetry. So we're going to find, first of all, we're going to sketch the graph. For this, as we are already done in the first two parts, we will find the points to sketch the graph. For this, we will take y is equal to 0. So 0 is equal to x minus 3 whole square minus 2. So we will move the 2 on the other side and it become positive 2. So the equation will become x minus 3 whole square is equal to 2. So now this is the equation, a form of equation. So we will find the points, but first of all, from here we will find the minimum or maximum point. Students, as I've told you in the previous part B, that whenever the value of x square is positive, the parabola will be upward, and when the value of x square will be negative, the parabola will be downward. So please always keep this thing in your mind. So from this we will find the minimum point, because this x square will be positive, so the graph will be upward and it gives us the minimum point. So from here we will find the minimum point. So how can we find the minimum point? We will take the value, this value from the bracket and this value from other side, change their signs and write it as a minimum point. The minimum point is minus 3, change the sign 3 and change the sign minus 2. So here we get the minimum point. Now we will take the points from this equation. We have put y is equal to 0. So we will take square root on both sides. Under root x minus 3 whole square and under root 2. Square root cut with square, it's x minus 3 is equal to plus minus under root 2 is 1.4. So now we will take both these values to find the value of x. So x is equal to 1.4 plus 3 and x is equal to 1.4 plus 3. Here it comes the minus. So this will become 3.4 and this will become, because the signs are different, so will minus 3 minus 1.4, answer will be 1.6. Sign of bigger number will become 1.6. So we obtain 2 points from here, that is x is 3.4 and y is 0, first point. Another point is x is 1.6 and y is 0. So we'll get 2 points from here. Now we have taken y is equal to 0. Now we will take x is equal to 0. The function is same, y is equal to, we'll put 0 in the place of x, minus 3 whole square minus 2. Y is equal to minus 3 square minus 2. Y is equal to 9 minus 2, and this is 7. So the point from here we get is x is 0, as you can see, and y is 7. So these are the 3 points we get from this function by putting y is equal to 0 and x is equal to 0. So we are going to sketch the graph. We can check the values. The maximum value of y-axis is 7 and x-axis is 3.4 or 3.5. So we will sketch graph accordingly. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So students, now we are going to sketch the graph. Students, we have to sketch the graph, but we have to take another point because 2 points, 3 point, and this is also the minimum point we have. This is 3 minus 2. So we will increase our graph 1 2 3. Now we will sketch the points. The first point is 3 minus 2, and that is the minimum point. 1 2 3 minus 1 minus 2. Here it came. Now 3.40. 1 2 3 3.4 and 0. 1.60. 1 1.60, and this point is 0 7. 0 next axis 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Here it comes, all the points we have mentioned. Now we'll sketch the graph. So students, this is the minimum point. We already find 3 minus 2, and this is the point where we have to draw our line of symmetry. This is the point where we draw a line of symmetry, but we have to draw it straight. Now for line of symmetry, we will again draw a straight line that cut the graph in 2 parts. I'll mark this dotted line. So this is the line of symmetry. It cut x-axis at 1 2 3. So line of symmetry is x is equal to 3. This is line of symmetry we found after sketching the graph, and this is the minimum point we have found in the beginning of the question. So we have done all the 3 parts as the question said in question number 2, part C. Thank you.